wind.
It's crazy out here. Oh my God.
It's one of the most scenic places in the gorge, and it's beautiful to see it in all different kinds of weather. My name is Tony Davey. I'm out here in the Columbia River Gorge, just enjoying the scenery and the wind.
The wind is very intense today.
You picked the perfect day.
Yeah, it feels like a good 30 to 50 miles an hour. Extremely windy.
It's not very often that you get to experience this.
Oh, it's just the wind was so strong you couldn't even walk around the building. It was blowing you back.
It's kind of like hurricane force back in Florida. It's rough. We almost fell over twice.
Woo! Exciting but powerful. Fun.
It's a bit windy, a little bit cold. Don't mind the wind, but it's very cold. Yeah, a little windy. It's a beautiful day from inside the car. It's getting cold.
Oh, we wanted to see how windy it actually was. It's crazy.
Just holding on to the railing out there on the next to the Vista House it's pretty tough to do. It's crazy. It's fun.
It's a steady blow.
Dead of winter, let's go.
With at least 50 to 60 miles an hour or more, I would guess.
It's serious! It's a serious windy day!